Well, you guys know Chuck the dump truck, right? Well, you know I've got the LS on there if you're watching my other videos. And I've got it running, right? And I'm having a problem over here. And I can demonstrate it for you, or I can tell you about it. I'll tell you about it first. So, I had some other problems, worked them out. Now my new problem is the cylinder number 2 right here, this front cylinder, does not fire and it knocks. And I can see it on my scan tool. I can hear it. I can spray this water on there. The header doesn't get hot. I have changed the fuel injectors around, didn't fix it. I have changed the spark plug, didn't fix it. I've changed the coil pack, didn't fix it. I have changed the spark plug wire, didn't fix it. I have taken the valve cover off and inspected the valves. They seem to be all moving. Everything seems to be fine down there. Nothing is too loose. So, it gets me to this point to, well, what else could it really be? You know what I mean? I wouldn't think that you would have a dead miss off of anything compression related, but I guess it's a possibility. I need to know. I need to get this figured out. So if you guys could let me know what I'm missing, what am I not thinking about here, I would really appreciate it. Also, I've thought that maybe it could be in the ECU, right? But I had another motor in here, and it was running fine, other than the blown head gasket, right? So, but it was hitting on all cylinders, and so what do I do? You know what I mean? Sure, something could have went bad in the ECU. I could try to retune that, but I really don't think that would be it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. I need some help. Let me know.